extinguisher. Type of fire extinguisher. There is so many type of fire extinguisher. Especially uh, like for which I already discussed with you, like for class A, you can use any type of fire extinguisher. Class B, you can use the foam, and for class C, you can use the carbon dioxide, and for class D, you can use a powder, and for class K, you can use a wet chemical. So, first procedure is actually P means pull the pan on the fire extinguisher. A means aim the whole nozzle and load towards the base of the fire. S means squeeze the handles to release the extinguishing agent, and S means sweep the nozzle from the side to side at the base of the flame. So here you can see P. P means pull the pan on the extinguisher. When the whole nozzle flows towards the base of the fire extinguisher. This means keep the handles to release the extinguished agent, and this means sweep the nozzle from the side at the base of the flame. So, what type of thing is required in the fire extinguishers? Uh, uh, like you can see so many fire extinguishers, but what is the most important thing in fire extinguisher? If these things are not filled in the fire extinguisher, so it means you're using you are using a things which have no pressure. Like the first thing is the fire extinguisher is always on the green. It is from left side, so it is means uh, like it is discharge, and if it is in the right side, so it is this means it is over recharge. So the fire extinguisher is always on the green. The second thing, the inspection tape must be present on the fire extinguisher, and the third one is the third party sticker. So these three will validity is required for the fire extinguisher. Number first, the fire extinguisher must be on the green. The second thing is the inspection tape, and the third one is the third party stickers. So here, for example, some of the people is using the fire extinguisher in the wrong way. So I can show you the video. Like always trying to use a fire extinguisher in the proper way. If the fire extinguisher handle is not the most important thing, if you are using the fire extinguisher and the handle was stuck due to the some issue, so don't push, use the other fire extinguisher, and make sure also for your